Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. iOS is up to date, and apps have notification permissions, so Dynamic Island can show live activity. Once done, unlock the iPhone and open an app that supports Dynamic Island like phone, music, or timers so you can see it in action. Make sure Face ID or a passcode is ready since secure functions use it. This step gets the island visible and prepares the system to accept interactions and live updates immediately. Now interact. Tap the Dynamic Island to expand brief alerts into richer cards showing playback, call, or timer controls. This reveals controls you can use without leaving your current app. If you need more options, long press to hold the card open and access contextual controls, or swipe to cycle between multiple activities. To refine behavior, go to Settings and adjust live activities per app so the island displays only what you want, reducing clutter and prioritizing the most useful. To finish, practice multitasking. Control music, reject or answer calls, or check timers from the island while continuing another app, because this is the Dynamic Island's main benefit. When an activity ends, swipe it away or tap the X to clear it so the space stays tidy. If the island doesn't appear, restart your iPhone and verify live activities and notification permissions. If problems persist, toggle the app's live activities off then on. That usually resolves display glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.